There are numerous ways to make money playing games online in today's digital age. Please note that while some people manage to earn a substantial income through these methods, they often require a significant amount of time, effort, and sometimes even initial investment. Here are some strategies you might consider. Streaming. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube Gaming, and Facebook Gaming allow you to live stream your gameplay to an audience. You can earn money through donations, subscriptions, ad revenue, and sponsorships. To make significant income, you'll need to build a large and loyal audience, which often involves not just skilled gameplay, but also entertaining commentary and a regular streaming schedule. eSports. If you're highly skilled at a popular video game, you might consider competitive gaming. eSports tournaments often have cash prizes. This is a difficult route as it requires a high level of skill and dedication. Game testing. Some companies pay individuals to test their games and provide feedback. This can be a way to earn money, although it might not be as exciting as the other options since you'll often be looking for bugs and problems rather than just enjoying the game. Content creation. Creating video game content on YouTube or a blog can generate advertising revenue. This could be in the form of Let's Play, videos, tutorials, reviews, or other gaming-related content. Selling in-game items or accounts. In some online multiplayer games, you can make money by selling rare in-game items or high-level accounts. However, be careful with this method as it is often against the game's terms of service. Coaching. If you're particularly skilled at a game, you might be able to earn money by coaching other players. This could involve teaching them strategies, helping them improve their skills, or assisting them in achieving specific in-game goals. Playing games on platforms that pay. There are platforms such as Misplay, Swagbucks, or Inbox Dollars that pay users to try out and play games. These platforms typically earn money through partnerships with game developers looking for more players. The earning potential here is generally quite low, but it could be a way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Participating in paid game tournaments. Platforms like Players Lounge allow players to participate in online game tournaments for a fee. The winners can earn prize money.